Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is on privacy issues in genealogy, part 2. While thinking about what to write, I came across an article I had clipped years ago. It was about privacy. Not just privacy in general, but in genealogy. The timing couldn't have been more perfect or more unsettling. With so many cases of identity theft and fraud, I suddenly found myself asking, what am I putting out there? And who might be reading it? It made me stop. As much as I wanted to tell our family's story, I realized I also had a responsibility to be careful, to be respectful, and to protect the living. And that's what I'm doing now, taking a pause. In part 3, I'll explore how privacy laws and global platforms affect even the smallest family blog. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.